you the ingredients.
First, I am going to prepare kadai masala. So for kadai masala, I have some coriander seeds, cloves, elaichi, red chilies, cinnamon and some pepper. I am going to dry roast them and put it in a mixer and grind it to a fine powder. First, I am adding the coriander seeds. Dry roast the coriander seeds till you get nice aroma. Next, I am adding the rest of the spices. Let it cool down and grind it in a mixer to a fine powder. Powder is ready. This is the kadai masala, which is the key ingredient in making this kadai chicken gravy. Let's make kadai chicken gravy. So for that, I have taken a kadai and I am going to add some oil. Let the oil become hot. Next, I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of fennel seeds, one chopped onion, fry the onion till it becomes golden brown in color. Now after frying for 10 minutes, the onions have become golden brown in color. To this, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and fry till the raw smell goes off. Now the raw smell has gone completely. Next, I am going to add half a spoon of Kashmiri chili powder, one-fourth tablespoon of turmeric powder, tomato puree. This puree I made from 3 tomatoes. Mix it. Add salt. And chicken. Here I have 500 grams of boneless chicken. mix it. Next, add a little bit of water. Cover and cook this for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I am going to open the lid and see whether the chicken has cooked. Next to this, I am adding Kadai masala. I am adding about 3 tablespoons. You can add this depending upon your spice level. Mix this. Let us cook this for 1 more minute. Now after 1 minute, we can see that the oil has come separately. This means that the masala in your gravy has been cooked properly. Next, I am going to add few coriander leaves, dried kasturi methi. I am going to crush this and add. Mix this. Switch off the flame and add about 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. Mix it gently. The kadai masala is now ready. Now next let us do the tempering for this masala. Now I have taken a separate pan. To this I am adding some oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add minced garlic. Saute this on a high flame. Next I am adding onions and capsicum, which I have cut into cubes. Keep it on high flame and saute this for about 1 minute. Retain the crunchiness of the vegetables. Now after 1 minute, switch off the stove and transfer this to Kadai Chicken Gravy. Mix this. Now let us do the plating. Kadai chicken gravy is now ready to serve. You can eat this with all types of Indian breads, also with dosa, idli and also with rice. So try this recipe at home. Please subscribe to my channel